Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be finding out which one is greater, 33 to the power of 44 or 44 to the power of 33. So we want to find out which one is the greater number. So what I'm first going to do is take the power of 1 over 11 on both sides. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can use the property a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this turns into 33 to the power of 44 over 11, which is equal to 33 to the power of 4. And I also have 44 to the power of 33 over 11, which is equal to 44 to the power of 3. Now, I'm going to rewrite 33 to the power of 4 as 3 times 11 to the power of 4, and 44 to the power of 3 as 4 times 11 to the power of 3. So now I get 3 to the power of 4 times 11 to the power of 4, or 4 to the power of 3 times 11 to the power of 3. Now, 11 to the power of 4, I'm going to rewrite as 11 to the power of 3 plus 1. So now I get 3 to the power of 4 times 11 to the power of 3 times 11, because 11 to the power of 3 plus 1 is equal to 11 to the power of 3 times 11. Or I still have 4 to the power of 3 times 11 to the power of 3. And now we see that 11 to the power of 3 is present in both of these, so we can just cancel out because it's there for both terms. So I'm just comparing 3 to the power of 4 times 11, or 4 to the power of 3. Now 3 to the power of 4 is 81, so I have 81 times 11, or 4 to the power of 3, which is 64. Now 81 is already greater than 64, and on top of that, we're also multiplying by 11, which turns into 891, or 64, meaning 891 is greater, so 33 to the power of 44 is the greater term. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the expression 5 to the power of log base 25 of 6. So to solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a simple property of logarithms that states that if I have something in the form log base a of b, this is equal to ln of b over ln of a. So in this case, I have log base 25 of 6. And this is the same thing as ln of 6 over ln of 25, which is the same thing as ln of 6 over ln of 5 squared. Now another property of logarithms is if I have something in the form ln a to the power b, this is equal to b times ln a. So this is the same thing now as ln 6 over 2 times ln 5. Which I'm actually going to rewrite this as 1 over 2 times ln 5 times ln 6. So now going back, I have 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times ln 5 times ln 6. Now, if I have something in the form e to the power of ln of x, this is just equal to x because the e and the ln cancel out. E times ln is 1, and I can just move the x to the front. So what I'm going to do is if I have something in the form e to the ln 5, this means that this is equal to 5. So I'm going to rewrite 5 here as e to the power of ln 5. So now I have e to the power of ln 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times ln 5 to the power of ln 6. Now these two cancel out, and the e and the ln cancel out. So I'm left with 6 to the power of 1/2. And 6 to the power of 1/2 is, this is going to be the same thing as the square root of 6. So the square root of 6 is my solution to this expression. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends or family and see if they can solve this. Bye.